So many tools and information for you to learn about as an Amazon seller. But in this video, we're going to be talking about only three main tools that you need as an Amazon seller to succeed. Are you ready? Let's get started. There's so many things that you need to think about as an Amazon seller, but definitely one of the most important parts to focus on is product research and finding the right product to sell. That's how you build the business on Amazon. It doesn't make sense for you to start worrying about PPC ads and listing optimization and all of that stuff if you haven't really found the right product to sell. So it's very important to focus on the main topic today in this video, and it's about product research, and I'm going to be talking about 3 tools, and all of these tools are in one tool, which is Helium 10, which I've talked about previously, but I'm going to show you exactly how to use these features or tools today. Now, if you want a discount code for Helium 10, I'll put it on the screen right now. Helium 10 has a discount code specially for us to provide you with 20% off for the next 6 months. It's absolutely wonderful. But what are the tools that we're going to be talking about in Helium 10 today? 3, Black Box, X-Ray, and Cerebro. Those are the tools that you need in order to find a great product to sell on Amazon. So I'm right here on Helium 10, and I'll click Tools, and as you can see, this is Black Box and this is Cerebro, and then we're going to look at X-Ray in a few minutes. So let's get started with Black Box, and Black Box is the tool that you use in order to do product research and find a great product. First and foremost, you can search using a lot of different styles or different features, but I'm going to be searching for the products using keywords. Make sure that you have the right Amazon Marketplace plugged in here. In this case, I'm using Amazon UAE. And there are a lot of filtration details that you can add in order to filter whatever results that you're searching for. Now, in this case, I'm only going to use a few filters because I want as much information as possible. So right here for the search volume, this is the most important feature to add right here, because at the end of the day, the idea is we are looking for products, or in this case, keywords that have a lot of demand, and we want to bridge the gap and present those products over to the customers. So search volume is very essential, and it's very much dependent on what you're looking at and what type of business you want to launch, and definitely very, very important based on which marketplace you're selling in. So in this case, I'm going to just put 300. So I'm looking for keywords that have at least 300 search volume per month on Amazon, which is, if you think about it, a really good number. If you just can imagine 300 people in your mind, that's not bad. It's not very high, but it's also not very bad. Now, the second thing that you can use also would be pricing. What would be the minimum price of the product that you want to sell, and what would be the maximum price of the product? Again, this is very much related to the budget that you have, because at the end of the day, the higher the price of the product, the more expensive it's going to be for you to procure from a manufacturer. But I would suggest let's put between 40 dirhams, which is low, up to 100 dirhams, just so that we can see what additional things that we're going to get from this search tool called Black Box. There's a lot of other things like categories and things that you can add, but in this case, I'm just going to click the search button. And as you can see, I've been provided with a lot of information, a lot of products with all of this information. Fan Portable looks like it's an interesting product, or rather keyword, because we're looking at keywords here. And what I get is what is the current search volume for the past month. The average search volume is 1,247. Definitely, probably because now we're in the hot summer months, so the demand is quite high for this product, but still the price is 71 dirhams, which is not bad. And the monthly average sales are 216. So the monthly average revenue is 12,400 dirhams. Now, if I want more information, then I can click on the 3 dots and I can click View on Amazon. And here we are, we're on Amazon, and as you can see, we're able to see what a portable fan is and what these products look like and what is happening on Amazon. Very cool, very diverse, lots of different selling prices. This is where we move on to tool number 2, which is X-ray. And X-ray is normally located in your browser, in your Chrome extension browser toolbar. And once we find it, we click on it, and what it's going to do is it's going to X-ray the whole website and provide me estimations of sales, revenue, lots of different information that can help me deep dive a little bit further into the products. And as you can see here, the search volume is 1,247, which we saw earlier. But here is where we look at the average selling price, average BSR, average reviews, which are also very important. And here we can also locate the information for each and every product. So if you see SP, it means it's sponsored, so the product is being advertised. But we can also look at the organic products that are ranking organically. So in this case, the Black & Decker, this is a little bit of a different product because it's a bigger fan than the portable one that you take with you. But still, if you look here, the Black & Decker fan, which is selling for 99 dirhams, is selling almost 700 units per month. Incredible. And generating 70,000 dirhams in revenue. That's absolutely wonderful. But also this one, which is a small portable fan, which opens and closes and is selling for almost 70 dirhams, is selling about 279 units per month. Also very, very good. And 19,500 dirhams in revenue for a product that's 70 dirhams. I'm sure there are a lot of resellers for it. So there are a lot of products. This portable neck, oh my God, look at this product. It's a portable neck fan, which is very fun. But the product is probably selling this much because it's such a low-priced product at 40 dirhams almost. It's selling 846 units, and it doesn't have really good reviews. It has almost 3-star reviews. It does have a lot of reviews. It has almost 5,000 reviews, but they are 3-star reviews, and still this seller is making a lot of money. So there is a lot of potential. And now here comes the second part of what we need to do, and tool number 3, which is Cerebro. That's going to help us deep dive a little bit further. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this product. I'm going to select, let's select the 30 dirhams one that's selling a lot. So let's select this one. Let's select this one. Let's just select these 3. And how about this one as well? So I'll select these 4, and then this is where we're going to go to Cerebro and click Run Cerebro. So if you don't know what Cerebro is a reverse ASIN. So what it does is it's going to take all of the keywords for these 4 products that I selected, which are really good selling products, and it's going to provide me some more information about the keywords so that I can verify again the demand, and I also can verify again the whether there is opportunity for me to sell these products, yes or no. Now, as you can see here, I got 1,275 filtered keywords. That's a lot of keywords to look at, and that's a lot of keywords to try to analyze. So what we want to do is we want to play around with the filters here in order to figure out what else I can, what unique opportunity there is. So again, for the search volume, I'm going to again add 300. Not that if a keyword doesn't have less than 300, it's not good, because it might be a long tail keyword that doesn't have a lot of competition. But still, I just want to filter the quantity down to try to get a lot of good keywords. And the second thing is position rank. So if you've ever bought a product on Amazon or any website, I'm sure you have, I'm sure you don't ever go to the 2nd or 3rd or even 5th page on Amazon. Most customers, actually the statistics show that most shoppers stay, 80% of them stay on the 1st page. And that's why we want these keywords and these products to be at least positioned on the 1st page. So right here in the position rank, I'm going to say minimum 1 and maximum I'm going to put 50, which means the product is going to be positioned on the 1st page or maybe on the top of the 2nd page. And then after that, I'll just click Apply Filters. And then it's going to filter all of those keywords, and I'm going to get 5 keywords. Now that's a little bit too little, so maybe I would change it a little bit, but 5 keywords is good for a marketplace like the UAE. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on search volume. So I want to get the highest search volume to the lowest search volume, and I can then analyze a little bit more the search trends, the competition, and a lot of other information as well. As you can see, so much information that Helium 10 can provide you quickly so that you can make informed data-driven decisions, which is very, very important. So if we look at just the search volume, we found portable fan to have 2,420. If you remember, this was not the keyword that we were looking at. I think the keyword that we were looking at was the second one with a lower search volume. So that's absolutely great. Mini fan is also very much in demand. And as you can see here, you can see the search volume trend over the past 30 days, how much increase in search volume has happened. And as you can see here for portable fan, there has been a 78% increase. Heat wave everywhere around the world, including in Dubai. So definitely this is a product that is something that you need to look at, because if you don't want to sell seasonal products, that's not something that you want to do. And as you can see here, I would recommend that let's look at the last 90 days for search volume, and it's been growing. It's been growing for this product. We just need to ensure that as soon as you launch the product, you still have that type of demand, and you've got a rechargeable fan that's decreased by 18%, just because maybe people are looking for the product via different keywords. So 3 tools: Black Box, X-Ray, and Cerebro. That's everything you need. Make sure that you focus on product research. And if you want to learn more information about selling on Amazon, you'll find our free masterclass linked in the description box of this video. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.